Hey Divas, it's your girl Kimmy. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be giving you some tips on how to find your new style or upgrade the style that you already have. So if you want to see what I am talking about, make sure you stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the girl's channel. Okay, so welcome to the video, guys. This video was actually inspired by the fact that I am trying to upgrade my own personal style. I wouldn't necessarily say I'm looking for a new style. I'm just trying to upgrade it and make it fit me. The reason for that is I feel like between ages 18 to about 26, my style has kind of been all over the place. It didn't really have one direction. I had a lot of cute outfits, a lot of cute looks, but I don't have a cohesive look. So that is what my upgrade is. And the first thing I did was I wanted to define what my look was going to be, or what my style was going to be, which the three words I came up with was sexy, classy, and feminine. So before I buy anything, or when I'm buying something, if it doesn't fall, if I look at that item and I can't say it's sexy, I can't say it's classy, and I cannot say it's feminine, then I'm just not buying it. You get what I mean? And that's gonna help in actually giving you direction in finding your new style. So that's the first tip that I have for you guys. Make sure you describe your style and you stick to it. The second tip that I have for you guys would be, don't go overboard. Stick to what you are comfortable in. For example, I do wear pants, but I'm not really a pants type of a girl. I'm a mini skirt, dress, midi skirts type of a girl. You know, I just love dresses and skirts. That's just who I am. That's what I'm most comfortable in. Okay, so I'm not now gonna go change my whole closet and have a whole bunch of pants in my closet, because I know that's not really what I'm comfortable in. You know, I don't even like shorts. I just literally started wearing shorts recently. You get what I mean? And even the shorts that I wear, it's not like booty shorts or cut shorts. It's just like regular chilled shorts, because I also don't want to be one-dimensional as a person. But I'm also very aware that I am most comfortable in skirts and dresses, so that is what I will always buy most of. So majority of my closet is always going to be skirts and dresses, because that's just what I'm comfortable in. So make sure you don't go too far out of what you're comfortable in. That is the second tip that I have for you guys. The third tip that I have for you guys that also worked for me, and you will see as we are going on this journey, because I'm going to take you guys on the journey with me. I want you guys to see the new hauls. I want you guys to see me cleaning out my closet. It's just going to be a fun experience. But the one thing that I think is helping me also is having style icons. Okay, when I say that, it doesn't necessarily mean every outfit that I'm gonna wear or that I'm gonna have is going to be inspired by these people, but it's going to be around the style of these people. For me, Kim Kardashian is one. I love her closet, but her closet is also not very attainable for the average girl, for a girl like me. You get what I mean? Because I'm not on red carpets all the time and, you know, always like doing the most, but she does have certain styles that I gravitate towards, that I appreciate, and that I aspire, you know. So when you have something to look to, something that you know can attain yourself to, it makes it very easy. So another person that I'm also very, you know, fond of that style, that would be Adrienne Houghton. I think Adrienne dresses her curves really, really well. She styles her curves amazing. She's got amazing taste. I love how she dresses. I love how her style has evolved. You know, we have seen her go from like a little girl to a grown married woman, and she has transitioned her style amazingly, and like, I give props to her, you know what I mean? And I love how she dresses, so I always tend to be stalking her Instagram, screenshots of her, you know, little cute outfits that I like. And mostly if you look at her style, it's sexy, it's classy and it's feminine. You get what I mean? So it's not very far off from what I am trying to attain, which I absolutely love. The third person that I also just kind of gravitate towards when it comes to style and like outfit inspirations, that would be Natalie. What is her name? Natalie Nicole or something like that. She's an Instagram influencer. She also has a show on E. I love how that girl dresses. I love how this girl dresses. I'll be sure to put all these girls' Instagram below, just if you guys want to go see their Instagram and see what, you know, I'm talking about. But these three women, I think from them I can find a really solid look, and I can find a lot of inspiration. And they all don't have the same style, but I gravitate towards all of them, so I can make it work. You get what I'm trying to say? So find 3 people or 4 people, but don't have a whole bunch of them, where you can just look up to their style, try to recreate their looks. You get what I mean? So that's that on that. The last tip that I have for you guys would actually be the hardest one to do. This was the hardest one for me to do. Get rid of everything in your closet that does not go with your current style or the style you are trying to achieve. And that's just not like for when you're going out, right? That means your work clothes, your gym clothes, your chilling at home clothes, your 90s, everything, okay? I had to get rid of 80% of my closet. I am like, it was a very traumatizing situation, but I did it and I had to do that. So if it doesn't fit, it's gotta go. If it's one of those, oh, when I lose weight I will fit into it, it's gotta go. If you haven't worn it in 6 months, it's gotta go. If you have worn it one too many times, it's gotta go, period. You know what I mean? Like, just get rid of the things that are holding you back. Clothes can also hold you back, you know what I mean? If it's something that you're like, no, I'm just wearing it, but you know you don't really look your best in it, let it go, period. So I hope you guys enjoyed these 4 tips that I gave you. That is what I'm using to upgrade my style, and I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this journey with me. Let me know if you guys are also trying to upgrade your style. It's about to be a brand new year. It's 2021 in a couple months. This obviously is going to be a great New Year's resolution if you guys are into those type of things. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to catch the next one too.